All right, flight 1, the 3D printed quad. All right. Alright guys, as you can see, I dropped it pretty hard. I was trying to front flip and it didn't really want to right itself very well. It kind of got off kilter, and these small props don't have much lift to them. And I'm guessing too, with this wide of a frame maybe, that even the air that is pushing is less. I don't know. These are like sitting pretty much right on the frame. These props don't have much clearance, so I don't know if that affects the lift at all, but hard crash. You can see what happened. Pretty much just busted the top part of the plate off, and it broke out the camera mount. So all of this is pretty easy to fix and print. I knew this was pretty thin already, and so it's not surprising that it broke like this. But the main part of the frame is perfect. So this is all going to be very strong. Just the top plate is going to be what I'm going to have to worry about. So we'll print off a new one and get her back up and running.